On to the next part. It's gonna have to be a part 2 of the video. Sorry. Base. Got a change in stripes. Kimball. Rated rookie Romeo. Jalen Noel. So keep on opening these packs till we get to that big pack, man. Oh, fat pat, yeah, player one, but that's cool too. Josh Hart, we got a Dwayne Wade jersey series, Miami Heat. Yes, that's a good fucking pull. Sorry for the language, but Dwayne Wade jersey series card. That's probably the highlight out that box. That's a nice one. Got a complete players, Dame Dollar, and then rookie cards. So last pack, and I'm pretty sure that was the big hit out that box, which is cool. Let's see, Great Expectations, DeAndre Hunter, RJ Barrett rookie, Carson Edwards rookie. Oh, you know, not much, but I'll take it. And like I said, man, this probably be my last box for you guys. So I have been opening these things for a while, and my finger's probably starting to hurt. So what I'm gonna do is give y'all this last box, and I'll probably wrap it up and see you guys another time. So let's see. I'm gonna just go right into it. I'm not even gonna mix it up. So Luka Doncic. Complete players. Kevin Porter Jr., Chuma Oakley. Rated rookies. Okay. See. Base cards. Get them out of here. Then we got a Damari Carroll orange reflector. Good card. Cameron Johnson, Jordan Poole. Rookie cards. Nice. I'm starting to lose my grip. This side got it. Good open. Got a Great Expectations. Luka Samanic. Rookie cards. Darius Garland. Jared Culver. Next pack. I don't like the brown color. Franchise features. Devin Booker. I don't like the way the brown looks. That's a weird brown. Rookie cards. Okay, next pack. That one open. Let's see. Go to the highlights. Got a James Harden, league leaders. Rookie cards. Next pack. Got a lot of cards. Like I said, it's lots of cards. We got a complete players. OKC. Paul George. Nice. Rookie cards. Great Expectations, Kobe White. Rookie cards. Chandler Parsons, hopefully he get well. You know, we all heard about his illness. Ty Jerome, Orange Prism rated rookie. Nice. I want all rookie cards. Another Zion Williamson for sale. And I do sell lots of them too. This feel like my fat pack right here. Well, I don't think it is. Right to it. Franchise feature. Kyle Lowry. Rookies. That wasn't my fat pack. I haven't done my fat pack, and I'm down to the last 2. Hopefully, we'll get it soon. Let's see. I don't see it in here either. The fat pack. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. Now this. Alright, let's see. Signature. Yes. Signature series. Yes. Who was that? The first card. Malcolm Brogdon. Haha. Auto. Nice fucking pull. Good stuff, man. Blue reflector. He's with Pacers now, of course, but I like it, man. Another autograph, man. We're loading up over here. We're loading up over here. That auto right there with the other autos and the number card. So I'm pretty sure that was my bonus pack. No wonder I couldn't tell what the fat pack was. Jahlil Okafor. You got a Kevin Knox second franchise feature. Damian Lillard base. So, hey man, let's go through these highlights, man. I feel like I did good enough, man. Frankly, I think I showed you guys enough pack opening. If you don't think so, let me know next time. Just tell me, like, hey man, it's never enough pack opening for us. And I will definitely open everything. So let's just go through what I believe to be the pretty much highlight cards, not including all the rookie cards that I just opened. What I consider to be highlights. We're gonna go through them all. Where would you mom? Who said? Got a lot of cards, so I'm gonna just flick through them. Jay Barrett, another Rui, RJ, Cam, a Zion, Blue Prism, Cam, Great Expectation cards. So I'm just gonna go through them real quick. Let you guys see what we got out the retail boxes of Donruss Prisms and Panini Contenders. All these franchise features. Got a rated rookie, Ty Jerome, orange pulsar, orange hollow reflector, whatever. It's not a pulsar, so orange reflector. League leaders, another orange reflector, Damari Carroll. Got a Dwayne Wade jersey series. Nice. Another orange reflector. Got a green, rated rookie green. League leaders, franchise players, a ton of cards. Kawhi Leonard, hollow, changing stripes, Zion, Ja, Ty, RJ, and down to the autos. We got a Malcolm Brogdon auto, we got a Lindell Wigginton auto, and we got a numbered Darius Garland draft class contenders card, 2 out of 25. So them are, to me, my big hits. And I'm satisfied with that. So it's your boy, Pak-mann Blade. And like I said, hit me up for more content, man. And as you guys can see, a lot of pack opening. I will separate, I go through everything. A lot of pack opening. And this is what y'all want to see, and I know it. So just hit me up for this content. Let me know what you guys think, man. Peace. Appreciate you guys.